It's a normal day and you're chilling on the couch in the comfort of your own home, watching random YouTube videos. Well, what if I told you that you can earn extra cash just by doing something you already love doing? Crazy, right? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you a crazy YouTube trick that you can turn into a side hustle. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Let me ask you one thing. Do you watch videos every day? There's a good chance that you like to watch videos on the internet all the time like me. Did you know that you can make money online just by doing what you already do? When you watch YouTube videos, you can make up to $26 per video. With this method, all you need is a laptop or computer and an internet connection to do this job. You can even do this with your phone. The best thing about this method is that it doesn't cost anything to start. People in any country can do this and make money again and again. Step number 1. If we search for a plank tutorial on YouTube right now, we'll see that there are a lot of different videos. Videos like this one get a lot of attention. Now let's use this video so that we can make money today. This will be the next thing you do. You're going to go to Google and type in adfoc.us and then click the search button. There are a lot of things you can see right now, but I want you to click on this first link. Now there are a lot of information on this page. There are 3 main things you can do on this site: shrink, share, and make money. To make money on the internet, you can shrink some URLs and share them on the internet. So let's try this out. Visit YouTube. Let's look at this video right now as an example. You can scroll down below and you will see the share button right here. Click this share button, and as you can see, there's a link to YouTube where you can share them on the internet. You will see this exact video every time someone clicks on this link. Then I want you to copy this link and go back to adfoc.us, and I want you to paste your link right here to make it easier for people to read. To make a long URL into a shorter one, this website just makes it shorter. When someone clicks on the link, you'll make a lot of money. Suppose someone from the United States clicks on your link, and if they do, you'll make more than $20. Meanwhile, over $10 will be yours if people from the United Kingdom click on your link. Step number 2. You can now learn how to sign up for a free account on this site. Just click this sign up button right here. Then a window will show up that says join adfoc.us, and then you can click on it. As long as you put in your email and password, it's all done. In this I am not a robot box right here, check the boxes for adfoc.us terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then click join now and you're all set. It says you haven't filled in all of your account information, so you need to do that in order to get paid. To make sure you get paid when you cash out your money, you should make sure your account is up to date. Just click on the account settings link right here. Then you will land on this page that says account information, and you can read about your account. When you need to update your account, you can do that here. Just type in your name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. As you can see, they are available all over the world. Now you can go ahead and fill in all of the information that is required. It's easy to do. When you're done, just click on Updated Information. You can pay for things on this website with PayPal. It's easy and convenient for you to use. To get to the automatic withdrawal section when you change your information, you can go to the bottom of the page and click on the link. It says here that you can set this option to automatically ask for money each month. If you want this option to work, you should turn it on right now. This is very important. In the next step, click the Update Setting button on this page. Step number 3. Here are the payout rates for each country. When people from the United States click on your link, you'll earn more than $20. Over $1 will be yours if people from Nepal click on your link. The $19 difference is huge. And I'm going to show you how to get around this, so stay tuned. You can see in this picture that there are a lot of videos on YouTube of people doing the planking. In this case, let's look at this video. Scroll down below and click on the share button right here. When this window comes up, click on this copy button. AddFoc.us is where we're going now, so let's go back there and paste the link in this box. Then, I want you to click on this shrink button. This website will automatically cut the link you paste in. You should do this 5 times in a row. Now I want you to find 5 videos and copy the link to them. Then on this website, I want you to cut them down. After which, you go to forum.bodybuilding.com. You can learn how to lose weight and be healthy on this site. When you scroll down, you can see many posts about how to stay healthy and do exercises. There are a lot of people writing on this site. You can see how many people have seen each post here. A lot of people are looking at these posts, as you can see. For example, a lot of these have been seen more than 10,000 times on this website. To start off, I want you to click on the button with the American flag. Choose a country from this list. Now I want you to click on the United States. When people from the United States click on your link, you will earn more than $20. For example, let's look at this post right now. You can click on that to see what the hot topics are right now and to learn more about this post too. People are leaving links to videos in this post as well. Now, in order to get a lot of attention, you should use this method. Many people from all over the world will click on your link if you do this. Step number 4. At this point, I'd like to share with you a planking post template so that you can get a better sense of what to post on these boards. In the beginning, I provide some information about how to plank. You can search for that on Google, and if you scroll down below, you can see that I put up links to videos that show people how to plank. To make more money when people click on your links, you should put up 5 or more videos. This is how you can utilize this method and make a lot of extra cash. And that is it, you guys. This is the exact method that you can use to earn extra money online. The best part about this is that you can earn money by doing something that you already love doing. What do you guys think of this method? Will you guys be trying this out anytime soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.